So guys, this is my Vogue inspired Get Unready with me today, and I'm going to be taking off all of my makeup and showing you what I'm going to do. I'm actually staying away from my house, so this is like my travel unready with me. I couldn't bring all my usual products, but I'll show you what I brought. Okay, so first step, what I always do is I always take an oil-based kind of cream product just to melt all my makeup off. This is the Ren Jelly Cleanser. This is like one of my all-time favorites. I always go back to it when it comes to like oils. I either use this one or the Biosense one, the Biosense oil cleanser, because I love both. I love the consistency of both, and I just use this to really just get in there with all my makeup and melt it all off, and then I rinse it and then go in with a foaming cleanser. No matter how drunk or tired or I don't know, not in the mood for it I am, I always double cleanse. I look kind of crazy, but now I just rinse it all off. So all that's rinsed off, and now I take my second cleanser. This time I'm using the UNREADY Vitamin C cleanser. Usually I use the Youth to the People cleanser, but it's got a glass bottle, and as I said, I'm not staying at home, so I don't want to travel with a glass bottle, so I'm going to use this one instead. So I do have some discoloration on my skin, and some vitamin C's you can't apply at night, so I just opt for a vitamin C cleanser instead to help fade the scarring and stuff. So I'm just going to use this one and just foam it up in my hand. Don't forget your neck. Make sure you get everything out. We're living in London, you need to make sure you clean your face. So what I've recently introduced to my routine, and usually what I take after I cleanse, is the Paula's Choice BHA exfoliant, which I actually did speak like, not badly, but I didn't really get the hype when I first used it. Then I was like, let me just use it again, and I'm in love, and I think genuinely that's what's made my skin like much more calm now. But today I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use a sheet mask instead, because I don't feel like my skin, like I've used it yesterday and I don't want to like do too much like the vitamin C and stuff. So I'm going to use a sheet mask instead. I'm going to use the Shiseido Vital Perfection sheet mask. There's one for your neck, one for your face. I'm going to use the face and neck one. This like chin / neck one I haven't really seen before, so I was really intrigued when I first saw it. So I think I've forgotten how to use it. How do you use it again? But yeah, I'm just gonna leave this on and go about my night, finish my shows and stuff, and I will be back. So this is my skin after I've taken the mask off. It's like glowy, hydrated, not greasy. Like, this is just the product, like it's not wet. My skin is not wet. So now, after I've rubbed in all of the excess serum on from the mask, I don't know whether to put any other serums on. Probably not. I think this is enough. So what I'm going to do is put on my lip balm. Yes, this Lano Lips multi-purpose super balm is like my favorite lip balm. It is so nice, and it just saves my lips. Whenever, if I'm not wearing lipstick, this is what I'm wearing. So if you have any questions about like what I'm wearing on my lips, like I just started my makeup routine and my lips look dewy, this is what I'm wearing all the time. So I think to just round things off and set everything on my face, I'm just going to finish with a cream. This is a very boring skincare routine, but I don't want to do too much on my skin. So I'm going to take the Kiehl's oil-free gel cream. This is like a really nice cream if you have combination skin. I love it so much. So I'm going to put this on for bedtime as well. My skin's not dry, so it's actually quite not greasy, it's like combination, so I don't want to put an oil or anything like that. So I'm just going to put this on. Sorry, final step is eye cream. I'm going to take the Youth to the People Dream Eye Cream, and I'm also going to take a little like roller thing. Don't even know what they're called, but it's like an eye roller. They look like this, and I'm just gonna put that in using that because it just feels nice. It's really nice and cold. And recently I've really noticed, like, not noticed, but I've realized the importance of like taking care of your eye area. So I think if you are how I was and don't really care for your eye area, please do like prevention. This is prevention. So if you don't want wrinkles, like, why not? Just do it, just in case. So yeah, I like to just do this at night to just like sink everything in and also like deep off my eyes. In the morning I heard that it's good as well to do this. So yeah guys, that was my like nighttime get ready with me when I'm like away from my house. So I hope it was like good enough. It's not crazy, but it's like what I do when I'm traveling. So yeah, sorry it wasn't exciting. I tried to throw in like a sheet mask to spice it up because why not? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you again in my next one.